Hey everyone, my name is Shawn and I'm going to talk to you today about our valve assemblies that we offer. Over here is our legacy 7-watt valve assemblies, and over here is going to be our 12-watt valve assemblies. What you're going to see in the difference between these two is the blue and the black lead that comes out of the coil. This means that it's 1.5 gallon per minute, and this one means that it's 2.4 gallon per minute. As you can tell, there's some different valve assembly types here. This one here is going to be an ARAG high flow. This one here will be a Wilger, ARAG, and a T-jet. The way you can tell on these what they are is there is a stamp on the stainless part that says, for this one for instance, AHF 24. So ARAG high flow 24 series valve assembly. These valves are also in our program to upgrade to our Spitfire valves, which we'll get to next. If you have a machine that has these types of valve assemblies on them, they can be upgraded to the next valves I'll talk about. These valve assemblies are going to be called our Spitfire valve assemblies. So in our 7-watt valve assemblies, we only offer 3 kinds: a Wilger, a T-jet, and an ARAG. And in our 12-watt series valves, we're going to offer a Wilger, ARAG, T-jet, and an ARAG high flow valve assembly. These valves are made in-house by CapstanAG. This is the valves you would go to if you were to trade in our legacy or our fly body valve assemblies. As you can see, the 3 different style of valve assemblies we make are in the shot here. So we have our stainless steel, our fly body, and our Spitfire valve assemblies. These 2 over here are what we offer for the trade-in to go up to our Spitfire valve assembly. If you have questions about any of our part numbers for our valve assemblies, you can go to CapstanAG.com or click the link below to see an exploded view of all 3 valve assemblies.